Hello everyone, in this class I'm going to teach you how to install Homebrew within your macOS environment. I created this slideshows for your personal records, and in the future if you would like to make a reference to this short notes, please go ahead to do so. So we're going through very simple steps. First of all, I would like you to check your macOS environment, then you should go to Homebrew's homepage. Then you should install Homebrew. Follow prompted instructions when you're installing Homebrew. For example, sometimes you will be asked to configure your path in order to access your brew commands. Sometimes you have to install Xcode. Please go ahead and install Xcode because this is one of the requirements when you are installing Homebrew. Then next, access the brew command to make sure that it's properly configured within your path. So next, let's get back to practicing our knowledge. First of all, let's go to this Apple icon, go to About This Mac, and as you can see, this is my macOS environment. In this case, I'm using Apple M1 processor and macOS Sonoma 14.2.1. So let's close this window. Let's go open our Safari, go to the Homebrew's homepage, Homebrew. And here we're only interested in this command link. Copy this link, go to your Spotlight search and type in terminal. Open your terminal and Command V to paste the link. Press the return key. And in this case, it's asking me to enter my passcode to my personal computer. Please go ahead to enter your passcode to your personal computer or your local machine. Personal machine. Now, if you see this message, it means that you have to press the return key one more time. Now we are installing Homebrew. While we are installing Homebrew, I would like you to pay attention to these. Just a second. I would like you to pay attention to this directory, OPT directory, and as you can see, this is our Homebrew package, which is being installed in the OPT directory. We can access the OPT directory by going to our Spotlight search and type /OPT/ and open the directory or the folder, and as you can see, our Homebrew package is installed in this directory. This is the file structure for the Homebrew package. I'm not going through all the details explaining about each file structure or folders, but I would like you to pay attention to the bin directory and cache room directory. Whenever you're installing any packages, all the symbolic links of those packages it should be visible in this directory. If you're installing any applications with graphical interfaces, you should be able to see them in the cache room. For example, a simple example of graphical applications would be Google Chrome or Zoom. But sometimes for the developers, we need any applications like such as pgadmin that has a graphical application or interface for us to visualize our database. I'm not going through all the details about this. We can discuss this in the next lecture. Let's close this window and go back to our terminal. As you can see, we have completed installing Homebrew, but let's access it. Brew, type command brew. If you see this message, this means that your brew has not been properly configured in your path. And as a developer, I would like you to take your time, always read the instruction. Here the instruction says, run this command in your terminal to add Homebrew to your path. So what we're going to do, we're going to copy this command, copy, and come here, command plus V, paste it, and press the return key. If you do not see any messages, what it means, you have successfully configured your path. Now let's type brew. And as you can see, we have access to the brew command options, all this. Again, congratulations, you have successfully configured and installed Homebrew within your macOS environment.